use it, you feel like adding anything to it, feel free to do that because we are giving you the freedom to do that.
Whether we can just get any AI tools in Horilla.
Right now, yeah, I have used Horilla, and for me, I think it's very simple to use. It's very user friendly. There is no complication.
Expectations of the company so that we can just put them in PIP.
Yeah, there'll be the employee records. So inside the employee records, there'll be the employee's address, certain other skills. Who has HR modules as well, but compared to both, like Odoo is a bit complicated, I guess, for me.
Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to Tech Tonic. So I am your host Jarina and this is your co-host Aishwarya. So today we're gonna speak up something new and spicy, and it's Horilla.
Yes.
So what is Horilla?
So before moving on to Horilla, I have something else to say. Today's episode is really special because every time when we come in front of you, we'll be talking about something which somebody else created.
Yeah.
But here we are talking about our own product. That doesn't mean I created it. No, it is a product of Cybrosys. Okay. So Horilla is basically a software, not simply a software, it's an open source HR software. That right now, that is initially we've started it as an HRMS. You know what HRMS is, right?
Yeah.
It's Human Resource Management System. So it has everything regarding the HR's related activities and all. But we are planning to release the CRM module also in Horilla. So right now we have a lot of HR modules in Horilla, and the main attraction is that we have made it open source. So you know what open source is, right? So obviously, like
Anybody could use it.
say anyone, like this is basically built in Python and Django. So people who have knowledge in Python and Django can easily download it.
And make further modification.
Yeah, right. Well, like in Odoo, we have this community and enterprise version where we can do modifications over the community version. But here is
So
Horilla.
whether we have any two,
No.
only single one.
It is open source, free and open source. That's it. So here you can easily download it. You can get it from GitHub, and from there you can actually do modifications. Like if you use it, you feel like adding anything to it, feel free to do that because we are giving you the freedom to do that. That's it. So that is basically what Horilla is. Okay.
Okay.
So that is the main attraction of being like keeping a software open source.
Okay. So that's it. So what are the benefits of using Horilla for a business?
So basically, this actually simplifies your HR process. Okay. So you all know, like we are in a company, and the very important thing is to manage the employees, like everything regarding the employees, like the HR activities. So having a tool to to manage everything is
Like
actually
onboarding.
yeah, like everything under a
like
single
the
roof.
interview, everything.
Like from the moment of an employee applying till that person resigning, everything can be managed using this. Now, there are a lot of HR softwares in the market. So we can say everything is unique and different in their own way. But like I have used Horilla, and for me, I think it's very simple to use. It's very user friendly. There is no complication. That is the main attraction of Horilla. Like
So
everything
even
is
if I'm new to Horilla, I can
you
easily
easily
hack it
follow.
without
Yeah.
any functional consultant support.
Yes, you can easily learn it. Like people might be interested to learn it or use it. So you can easily go to Google and search for demo.horilla.com, and that will take you to the demo site of Horilla, where every modules which are published till date is available, and every functionalities are also available. So you can go and try it, and if you feel it as it's worth, then go on, and we'll be helping you to implement it to your software, to your system.
So whether we can just get any AI tools in Horilla.
Right now, yeah, they are actually working on AI integration as well. So, AI is making every work easy. So, I hope this will also be getting simplified as per they are implementing it with AI.
Okay.
Okay, so we have a lot of core features. So far, I was only talking about HR, but you all know we have modules like the employees module. So inside the employee module itself, you have the option to manage an employee profile, like everything regarding
Contract,
the
onboarding, offboarding.
everything is there for the employee module over there. So you can actually,
Would you please list out any features?
so in the employee module itself, you can actually manage the employee's profile, employees' different records, as well as the employees' attendances. Okay, so individual employee, you can take a single employee and that person's profile, including their, CV, such things and all, can be easily managed using
So is there any separate module to manage the attendance, time off, time sheet? Okay.
that is also like, as in Odoo, we say they are integrated. Similarly, here also we have that connection over the modules. So that's the employee. And we also have modules like the payroll and leave management, which is to manage that particular section.
Yeah, in Odoo, we know that the leave is basically managed using time off module. Na?
Yeah.
But here we have a separate module.
Leave module.
Yeah.
And then you have the payroll management also. Then you have the recruitment and onboarding. So the first step is recruitment. Then once that person is selected, the onboarding takes place. So for that also we have separate modules for onboarding and recruitment. Like in Odoo and all, I think it's under a single module.
Yeah, it's under the recruitment.
Yeah. Like here we have onboarding as well. And then you have the performance tracking of the employee over here.
Okay, so if any of the employees is not performing according to the a demand of the company,
Expectation of the company.
yeah, expectations of the company, so that we can just put them in PIP.
So performance tracking as well as a reporting corresponding to that can be, fetched from this particular software. And then the main thing is that this is very much user friendly and you can easily customize this specific software. So as I said before, you guys have to go on and try. Even you can go on and try it. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
So, it's a very user-friendly design, as I said before, because there is no complication. You don't have to go on and search for any other things. Like we know that certain things are related to certain things. So if I go to employee module, I know what to expect. There'll be the employee record. So inside the employee records, there'll be the employee's address, certain other skills and all. So everything is like connected to each other, and it's really easy to find out everything. So you have to go on and try it. Only then you'll understand what I'm speaking about.
So what are the vision and future of Horilla?
So as I said before, AI integration is what we are doing right now. And in future, as I said, CRM is going to be released. I hope by when this video is releasing, maybe it will be published, or within a week it will be published, the CRM.
And you can also just get the demo of Horilla from Cybrosys YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Because we have
we do have a YouTube channel for Horilla as well. The name is Horilla itself. So there you get an overview of every modules and features which are right now available in Horilla. So if you have any confusion while using the modules, do go to the YouTube channel and check those videos because they are really simplified and it's not that hard to understand, I guess. So that's it. And then you have, it makes your HR tasks very simple. Like if you are working under the HR department of any institution, be it a hospital, a school, an IT company, anywhere, like HR is everywhere right now. So rather than managing it manually, you can simply use Horilla. So another thing is that if obviously people will be confused. Sometimes they might be confused after downloading the software or after using the demo. So don't worry, you can easily contact us and we'll be guiding you and helping you. Like if
I think we have already published an overview of Horilla, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
But every time there'll be updates coming. Okay, so if you find something that is not getting into your head, feel free to contact us. Look, we'll be giving the contact information and all over here. And I think Horilla also has a mobile app. Not I think, it has. So if you are an HR, you can actually manage it in your phone. And if you're an employee also, you can see how many leaves I have, what is the attendance status, your profile updating, everything can be done in the Horilla app. So it is available in the App Store as well as Play Store. So you can go and check it from there as well. Okay, so those are the things that I have to say about Horilla. So that's it, I guess. So the main thing is that if you are well in Python, Django, go on and try that side of the software. Yeah, the development side of the software as well. So for a developer, it's like a thing for you to try and to learn and all for creating certain modules and all. And for a functional side, you can actually go on and try, and you can experience it yourself that how easily you can manage all these tasks using Horilla. That is everything under a single roof. That is what Horilla is for me. Like I have used it.
I think it's an umbrella model to manage the business.
Yes. So initially, as I said before, when Horilla was released, we thought, and I used to call it as an HR software because only HR modules were there. But right now, the CRM is also coming. I don't know what's in it. Okay, I'm really excited to try it on and what they are bringing, because it's really easy to use and the interface is so user friendly. So I'm really interested. So Odoo, we were already experienced to how Odoo looks like. So Odoo has HR modules as well, but compared to both, like Odoo is a bit complicated, I guess, for me. Okay, don't make it a controversy. For me, it is a bit, because Odoo is not an HR software, it's an ERP software which has everything. But Horilla was started as an HRMS software, and so they made it so simple. Our developers had worked very hard to make it in such a user friendly way, and they are still working to give that CRM for you guys. So I don't think this will stop here. They'll be working more to bring out a lot of things which is open source. That is the main
We can
thing.
expect a revolution from Horilla.
Of course, because as a beginning software, it has made a lot of changes, because we're getting a lot of inquiries about the software, and that has become a motivation for the developers to work more over it. So yeah, I hope you guys will be going and trying Horilla, because you should also try it. And the next episode, you have to tell me how Horilla is, okay? So you have a mobile app, as well as you can go to the YouTube channel called Horilla for more updates. And if you don't know, if you are lazy like me to find it out for yourself, you can go to the YouTube channel and they'll be guiding you how to use different features of Horilla. So that's it.
Yeah. So do try out Horilla, and we invite your feedbacks. So that's all for
Do
today.
comment below if you have any inquiries on Horilla or any suggestions, whatever it is, do comment below.
Okay. So that's all for today, and it's time to wrap the episode.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll be back with more product reviews and so many things. So if you have any content suggestions, please comment it down below. We'll be doing that for you. Okay. So thank you so much for watching, guys. See you guys in the next episode.